In this video, I am going to show you how to change domain names on Wix. So let's see how we can do it. At first, we are going to see how we can change domain name for our free Wix website. After that, we are going to see how we can change domain name for our premium Wix website. So this is my free Wix website, and on the top you will see there are two parts of my domain. The first one is this one, which is my Wix username, and the second one is this one, which is my website name. Now to change this first name, go to your Wix account. Then from the top, click on your account icon and then click on account settings. So this is the site URL prefix that we are seeing on our Wix website. Now to change it, click on this pencil icon, enter your new prefix here and then click on save. Now to change the second part of your domain name, from the top just click on all sites and then click on go to all sites. Now click on this three dots button on any site and then click on rename site. So now you can easily change this URL from here. And if you want to change your website name, then you can do it from here. After that, just click on save and it will be saved. Now if you want to connect your own domain instead of this Wix domain, then you need to upgrade your account. Click on upgrade now from here. If you have a small website without e-commerce, then you can select from website plans. To connect your domain, you need to buy at least this connect domain most basic package, and in this way your free Wix domain will be changed with your own domain. So this is how you can change domain names on Wix. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.